Royal Match 1050. That's nifty. Oh, look at this. This is super weird. You got cups at the top, fireworks at the bottom, one weird slot with a weapon in it, 4 individual rows of honey. This whole thing is super broken up. Let's see what happens here. Oh, it automatically sets out the fireworks. Crazy. Oh, and now there's oysters. Wicked. Not a lot of turns either, actually. Oh, so what? It's just going to give me a rocket every turn if I want to down here. That is weird. That is so weird. Okay. What do I make of that? Oh, I don't know. So it's the stuff at the very bottom that's the tricky part, right? Okay. That was definitely weird.